In 1906, Americans saw the aftermath of the San Francisco earthquake in a way no one ever had before. George Lawrence specialized in building enormous cameras, and he had a vision. He wanted to capture panoramic photographs of major cities by suspending one from a train of kites he called a captive airship. The earthquake in San Francisco presented a unique opportunity. Photographers rushed in from everywhere, and they all shot from the ground. George Lawrence believed the world needed to see this from above. 6 weeks after the quake and fire leveled one of the greatest cities in America, he flew his camera over the wreckage. The photograph he captured is 48 inches wide. Shot from a kite train flying 2,000 feet above the bay, it shows the entire destroyed city in a single, breathtaking frame. Something no airplane could have done, because powered flight was barely 3 years old. Every detail is sharp. Collapsed buildings, burned out blocks stretching for miles. Ships sitting peacefully in the harbor while the city behind them lies in ash. Lawrence sold copies of San Francisco in Ruins around the world. It became one of the most reproduced photographs of the early 20th century. Lawrence's aerial photograph documented a disaster and changed how the world understood catastrophe.